Bonjour à tous. Good morning or good day, everyone. Today, let us see sixth exercise in page number 45 of your book PDF. Please refer that. It is like fill in the blanks. They have given you uh, prepositions and they are asking you to match it up with the sentence given. Okay, so first let me explain the prepositions given and then we can move on to the questions. Alors, alors means so. Donc is also so, but the difference between these two is alors is almost close to hence. It means in English, wherever we use hence, close to hence, there all we use this alors. And then donc. Donc means so. Hmm? C'est pourquoi means that's why. C'est pourquoi means that's why. Okay, so tu es tombé, alors tu t'es cassé les bras. So this is the alors. Why do we put alors here is you fell down, so you broke the arm. Okay, so the so means alors. This alors we are using. Okay, then elle a beaucoup travaillé, donc elle va réussir. She worked a lot, so she will pass. Donc means so. Okay, so the meaning for that I have given here. She worked a lot, so she will pass. Then the next one is c'est pourquoi. Okay, c'est pourquoi. Le restaurant est fermé. The restaurant was closed. That's why we eat in the house. Okay, c'est pourquoi means that's why. Okay, so all these are the fill in the blanks. Okay, alors I'm just writing the answer and I am giving you the meaning for this in the right side in order to make you understand better. Then Kamala n'a pas eu de promotion, donc elle a démissionné. Kamala did not get any promotion. Okay, donc means so. So she resigned. Then ma voisin a l'habitude de mentir, donc personne ne le croit. My neighbor have a habit of telling lie. So nobody believes him. So nobody believes him. Donc. Okay, it's very easy. Like fill in the blanks, you are just writing the answer. For that, you should know the meaning for that exactly in English. So that's why I have given the translation here for your better understanding. So please go through this. Okay, so now let us move on to the next exercise, seventh one. Same like that. They have given these words and the meaning I have written here. So you have to write where which preposition will come. Okay, depuis quand means since when. Depuis means since. Quand means when. Okay. Then quand means when. Désormais means from now on. Désormais means from now on. Avant means before. Après means after. Okay, so now quand est-ce que tu rentres de vacances? When did you return from vacation? When did you return from vacation? Okay, so first answer is quand. Then, depuis quand elle habite dans son nouvel appartement? Since when she lives in her new apartment? Since when? So since when is the answer here. Okay. And now let me move on to the next one. Désormais nous allons prendre des repas végétariens. From now on we are going to take vegetarian food. Désormais. Okay. So that's what I have written here also. Then il faut bien regarder avant de traverser la rue. It is must to watch before crossing the road. Avant. Avant means before. Okay. Then nous ne sortez plus après l'accident. You did not go out after the accident. Après. Okay, so après means after. So it's very simple, like fill in the blanks only. You can easily find out the correct one. Now let us move on to the eighth exercise. Eighth exercise is again subjunctive only. So first, let me explain the example given, and then let us move on to the five exercises. Okay, so je dois consulter un dentiste. So you are writing the sentence with il faut. Il faut is falloir verb conjugation. Okay, it is falloir. Okay, falloir means it is must, like that it will be. Okay, il faut que. So you have to put il faut que, as usual for subjunctive we'll introduce que. Je consulte. So you have to identify the verb and you have to find the subjunctive for that, and then you have to write it. Got it? Okay, now consultor is a er verb, so you have to write the present tense conjugation here, normal present tense conjugation, and then from that you have to pick up ILS conjugation here. Okay, so then in that remove ENT at the last, add EES EE, and then ENT ENT. Got it? And for nu and who alone you have to write amparfy conjugation, and for nu and who alone you have to write amparfy conjugation. I'm sure that you remember amparfy conjugation. How will you do amparfy? Write the present tense conjugation, take nu from that, remove ons at the last, and add amparfy ending. If you do like so, you will get the answer for nu and who. Okay, so the answer is il faut que je consulte. Je conjugation here is this one. So je consulte un dentiste. Got it? Okay, now let me move on to the next one. Nous devons partir de bonne heure. Nous devons partir de bonne heure. Okay, so what is the verb here is? What is the verb here is partir. Partir is a verb. Partir is a verb. So you have to write the present tense conjugation, from which you have to take ILS conjugation, remove ENT at the last, add these endings of subjunctive, and as usual for nu and who you have to write amparfy conjugation. Got it? And the answer will be il faut. Always for all these five exercises you have to frame the answer according to the example given. So in the example they have given il faut que nous partions. You have to pick up this conjugation. Nous partions de bonne heure. Okay, then B. B is obtenir is a verb. So obtenir verb you have done here, present tense conjugation, and from that you have to take ILS, remove ENT at the last, add EES EE, and then all as usual subjunctive ending, and for nu and who alone as usual you have to write amparfy ending. Then il faut que les élèves. I told you LES is always plural, so ILS conjugation. So what is the ILS conjugation for this? It is this one, obtien. So that's what even I have written here. Got it? Okay, now let me move on to the next one. C. Le maître de l'école doit apprécier le professeur de langue. So what is the verb here? What is the verb here? Verb here is appreciate. So appreciate verb present tense conjugation I have written. From that I have taken ILS conjugation and write the amparfy ending. For nu and who alone as usual you have to write the for ILS conjugation you have to take and remove ENT at the last and write the subjunctive ending. And for nu and who alone you write amparfy ending. Okay, so if you write the amparfy conjugation you will get 2I here. Okay, in both the places. Check it out. And then the answer is il faut que le maître de l'école apprécie. Le maître. Le is always singular. So for le you have to pick up IL conjugation. IL conjugation is apprécier. That's what I have written here. Okay, so now let me move on to the next one. L'école doit avoir une grande cour de récréation. So avoir is a verb. So avoir is an irregular verb. For this the conjugation is given in page number 41 and 42. Please refer all those irregular verbs. You have to by heart the conjugation as such. Il faut que l'école A. L'école, as usual, I told L apostrophe. Listen carefully. L-E, L apostrophe, L-A. All are singular and it will take IL conjugation. And LES is plural, it will take ILS conjugation. Okay. So you are picking up IL conjugation, it is AIT here. Okay. Then move on to the next one. Ether verb is again irregular verb. Ether is again irregular verb. So you have to write conjugation as given in page number 41 and 42. So I've written the conjugation and then il faut que les professeur. I told you LES is plural. So you have to take up ILS conjugation. So what is the ILS conjugation here is SOIENT. That's what even I have written here. Hope it is very clear for you all. Merci. Merci beaucoup. Bonjour. Have a nice day.